Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can invite people to your meeting. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, there's actually multiple ways how you can do it. I will show you. The first way is when you schedule a meeting and you want to start a meeting, you're gonna see 0 participants here, and you want to just click plus and just invite participants, right? This is the first way. Another way, what you can do is just click here people directly in your meeting already. And now you're gonna see again, share the link with people, and voila, that's how you do it. And just share it with them. So these are the 2 ways how we can do it. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.